Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs. What's up, UB2B land? Hey, I'm Joe with Wicked Fabs, and today on the channel we are going to do a product review. I was approached by Kyle Marshall and Reggie Overton of Fastwax.com and to test their product out, and I said, yeah, I'll give it a shot. I have a vehicle at home that hasn't been washed or waxed in quite some time, so they offered me a can to do a review on it, and here's my review. This is Fastwax FW1 self-cleaning wax. It says it's no water required, cleans exterior surfaces of motor vehicles, removes tar, dirt, bugs, tree sap, and more. So we're going to put it to the test on this 2010 Chevy HHR, which hasn't been washed or waxed in quite some time. And because I've been focusing a lot on my other projects I have going on, we're still working on the second gen. I'm just taking a break from that. It says to shake can for 2 to 3 minutes, or I'm sorry, shake can for 15 to 45 seconds, spray can approximately 3 to 5 square feet, and clean with the terry towel, and then polish with a microfiber towel. So it does have a ball in it, just like a rattle can, spray can paint, to mix it up. The product says it has carnauba wax in it. And what they explained to me is that you spray the car and it'll foam up, as you'll see here in a minute, and that lifts the dirt and all the debris off the paint surfaces, leaving the carnauba wax on the bottom, and then to buff it out. So I'll show you what how dirty the car is, and so you get a better look at the filth. As you can see, the car is somewhat filthy. It hasn't been washed in quite some time. There's a couple scuff marks here and here. This is the side I'll be doing, and I won't be doing this side, so that way I won't do this side, so that way you could see the difference in the two sides. And maybe I'll even run a tape line down here so you could see the difference close up. But here's what it looks like prior to it being done. Okay, now that I have the vehicle taped off, I am going to spray the vehicle now with this fast wax, shake it up a little bit for about 15 to 45 seconds, and see how it foams up. It looks like it's a liquid wax in a can. It's just like instead of putting it on with conventional paste, it just seems like it's an aerosol can wax. It is hazing up, and it has foamed up some. So it says to, once it foams up, get your terry towel, and we will wipe the excess wax off and see where we end up. I'm going to put this down right over here. It does look like a liquid paste it is turning into. Alright, I took the excess off. You could still see like a glaze over it. And it does say let it glaze up after wiping it off. And it does seem to get a little bit all over the place. It seems like it works. It has lifted the dirt up off of it. I don't know if you can see that. Would I do this on a show vehicle? Probably not. a daily driver, somebody that's wants a quick job done. So far, it seems like it's working. If the car's not really super filthy. Up here in the Northeast, I don't know if I would do it all on the sides with the road salt. And as you can see on the windshield and stuff like that, I just don't want the dirt digging into the paint. So we're just going to let this haze up and then buff it out. Okay, now that the product is hazed up and I wiped off the excess, I'm going to take the terry cloth, or the terry towel now, like they say, and to buff it out. The only thing I have noticed so far is with the spray wax, it does get in all the little nooks and crannies. For something to, if you're gotta go over it real quick, I don't know. Has it worked so far? Yes, and it's looking like I like it. I like it so far. So we'll remove the tape, and I will take you around the vehicle and show you the difference of it. All right, here's what we have as the finished product. As you can see, the dirt on the grill is somewhat cleaner than the side that's not. So has it lift the dirt and take the dirt off? Yes, it has. It is even smooth, a little bit smooth to the touch. Like I said, this vehicle wasn't waxed in a long time, so this is probably the first coat of wax that it's had on it in quite some time. And I don't know if you can see the difference in the two sides as far as cleanliness or glare. So the bottom line, you could feel the dirt and see the dirt. It is visible. Has it lifted the dirt off? Yes. Did the product do what it says? Yes. I would think the product excuse me, did lift the dirt up. It did wipe it off. There's really no dirt, or you really can't feel it embedded, but it did leave a coat of wax on it. I think it's just basically a fast wax, like a spray and shine, or a quick wax by these other companies. But overall, it seems to do the job. For those guys that are looking to get something done, those guys or girls that are looking to get something done in a hurry. I would think you would need more than just one can to do a whole vehicle, or smaller vehicles you might get away with one can to do a whole vehicle. But like a pickup truck, I'd probably go through about 3 or 4 of these, maybe even 5. But pick yourself up a can, and you guys tell me what you think. Hit me up in the comments below if you have any questions or whatnot. It's fastwax.com. This is their FW1 cleaning wax product, and check it out if you guys want. That's all I got for you. I'm Joe. This is Wicked Fabs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Smash on that subscribe button. Smash on that like button if you want to see more cool videos on maybe some new products that come out. And till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs.